Hello and welcome to today's demo. In this demo, we shall go through a recently shipped Azure AD adapter with a use case. Let's see what are the features that Azure AD adapter offers. So it supports CRUD operations for all the business objects, and it supports list and get operations to retrieve multiple or single record, and it supports pagination feature for the outbound invocation, mainly for the export, and it also supports the inbound trigger for user and group events, and it supports OAuth 2.0 security policies, client credentials, and OAuth code credentials grant types, and it supports connectivity agent. So now let's get into the use case. This is a new hire sync from Workday to Azure AD. Whenever there is a new hire created in the Workday, that gets extracted by Oracle Integration Cloud and then synced into the Azure AD by creating a new user. So now let's go into the integration. So this is a schedule-based integration to extract the new hire information from Workday. So I've used EIB extraction process. So basically it has three steps: launch, monitor, and extract. I'll brief them over here. The launch. This step initiates the Workday job by taking the inputs as start date and end date. So what does it mean? The employees that got created between these two dates will be extracted from the Workday and then given it to the OIC. The next step is monitor. This step monitors the job that we have invoked in the previous step. Once it has been successful, the next one is the extract. So it downloads the information to the VFS as a file. The information, the file location and the other stuff, and the file name is being provided as an input to the stage file. The stage file reads the content of the file and then invokes the Azure AD adapter here to create the new users into the Azure AD. So let's see what's there in the Azure AD wizard. It invokes the create operation and then go ahead and create the users into the Azure AD. So let's now see how to create a Azure AD connection. So it takes tenant ID of the Azure tenancy. We offer two security policies: client credentials and auth code credentials. We support connectivity agent in case if the Azure AD is in the private network, customers can go ahead and use the connectivity agent and integrate with it. Let's execute this integration end to end. I'm already in the Workday portal and I will run the report that I'm looking for to extract the employee. So I'll provide a date, from date, and to date. I'm giving the same date. So that means whatever the employees, new hires that got created today are being extracted. So I see around 5 employees that got created. So now I'll go into the Azure AD whether these employees are available or not. So one of the employees, Ava Bella. So I'll test with that employee. So no, I couldn't fetch this particular employee in the Azure AD. That's great. Okay. Now let's go ahead and run our integration by providing the input dates. So this is the date which I have executed in the Workday. So I'll run. Now the integration is successful. So now I'll go to the Azure AD and search this particular user. I see this user is created. I'll also check with the date time. Who are the users that got created on this same date? So I can see all the users that I see it in the Workday is being synced up in the Azure AD. That's all for this demo. Thank you.